Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some truly amazing keycaps, the Keytok United Earth Government keycaps, inspired by the epic film The Wandering Earth 2. If you're a fan of sci-fi and keycaps that stand out from the rest, then you're going to love this. Let's jump right in. The keyboard that I'm going to be installing these keycaps on is my Gravastar K1 Lite. I currently have Mercury translucent keycaps installed. However, I mainly use this keyboard at my office at work, and I wanted to dial back the RGB lighting appearance, which is why I opted to go with the UEG keycaps by Keytok. Before I go into further detail about these keycaps, let's get them unboxed. The complete keycap set consists of 154 keys altogether. As you can see, they are nicely packaged and neatly contained in the 3 keycap holders stacked on top of each other. They also have a clear cover over each one, ensuring that the keycaps do not get tossed around during shipping. What I love most about these keycaps is how it embodies the spirit of the film The Wandering Earth 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my keycaps removed from my K1 Lite right now. I'm going to use the keycap puller that came with the keycaps. So let's go ahead and do that now. Fast forward to the time lapse. As you can see, I have all the Mercury keycaps removed, and now I'm going to start working on installing the keycaps that I got from Keytok. We're going to do that now. And the good thing about the keycaps and the way they provide them is they have everything in order. So that makes it really nice and easy when you got to go and put the keycaps back on. So I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse and get these installed. I really like the plastic keycap holder that Keytok provides. This is really good for putting your keycaps that you remove back into, so you can keep up with them in the future. And there we have it. I now have the keycaps all installed. I have to say they look really good on this keyboard. One thing I really like about this compared to the other keycaps is the RGB lighting is not as profound as it was on the Mercury keycaps, and I like this a lot better because it's a lot more subtle, and that's exactly what I was going for and looking for with these keycaps. So let's go ahead and do a sound test and see how the Mercury keycaps sound versus the UEG or United Earth Government Keytok keycaps. Now let's talk about the feel. These keycaps aren't just about looks, they're also functional. The texture is smooth and the tactile feedback is satisfying. It definitely enhances the typing experience. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I wanted a more subtle approach when it came to my RGB lighting aesthetic, and these keycaps are just what I needed. They still allow for some lighting to shine through, but not too much thanks to the transparent portion of these keycaps being tinted. So, who should consider adding these keycaps to their collection? If you're a fan of The Wandering Earth 2, a keyboard enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates unique designs, these keycaps are a must-have. It's a fantastic way to express your love for sci-fi while also upgrading your gear at the same time. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our look at Keytok's United Earth Government Keycaps. I want to thank Keytok for sending me these keycaps to try out. If you're interested in grabbing some of these beautifully designed keycaps for yourself, check out the links in the description below. I will also have a 10% off discount code that I'll include in the description to help you out in case you decide to upgrade your keyboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these keycaps and how you'd incorporate them in your setup. Drop your comments below. Until next time, keep gaming and typing in style.